Ashlyn Harlan, but you can call me Ashlyn. I am currently a junior at the University of Houston with a major in broadcast journalism and a minor in marketing. I think for the media bias rating, it is extremely relative to the world today and is extremely accurate for the most part. For the political party quiz, I was rated conservative Republican. For the self-rate bias, I was rated to the right. And for the 8 values results, I was closest match to the right-wing populism. I think that these are pretty accurate results. I do consider myself, without these quizzes, more moderate because I see views from both sides. I'm very open-minded and I like learning, but for the most part I am conservative. The 4 TED Talks videos were extremely interesting. Learned a lot of new information, things that we all weren't aware of. The first video was probably my favorite because it did tell you that many of us post things to be validated. You know, we like things, we want comments, but really we end up empty, and that's what's wrong with our world today. In the second video, it says like what we see is only half of the truth. You know, we get a lot of our sources from the news, and if the news isn't feeding us, you know, validated information or only half of the truth, or, you know, things that aren't really relative, then, you know, that's what we feed our brains and it doesn't result in our best interest. In the third video, everyone's search was different, and that's actually very concerning. You know, so every, you know, whether it's a phone or a computer, iPad, iPod, where when you search something, it might not be the same. So when you read it, you might not be getting the same information, and that can be concerning in itself. And in the last video, finally, we have a choice of free choosing, and that's just a reminder of anything today. It's a good reminder, and it also can be concerning. Something that helps me get out of bed every morning is coffee, of course, my family, my faith, that's very motivational for me, and my job. I'm currently in Orlando, Florida, pursuing you know, my major, which is broadcast journalism, and I'm currently working this semester in the Disney College program as a character performer here at Disney World, so hopefully that can get me on the right track to a wonderful career. So thank you for listening.